Hello 10th class students. Today we start with chapter 14, equation of a line. This is last chapter and it is having vast syllabus. Too many exercises are there and there are many questions in each exercise. So chapter 14 is equation of line. Chapter 14. So exercise 14A deals with basic concepts. So it's not very much difficult exercise. It deals with basic concepts of equation of line. So every line, you must remember that every line is in the form of x plus y is equal to any constant. It may be like 3x plus 5y is equal to 4, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. This type of equation we will be doing in this chapter. So equation is of this type. A point P, suppose point P, I have to find point P2, 3 lies on this line or not. This is for x, this is for y. So we start with exercise 14A. We will do this type of questions first. Question number 1 is, I have to find whether the given points lie on the equation x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. One part I do, suppose I have to find whether 5 lies on this line or not. This is for x, this is for y. 5 minus 2 into 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. 5 minus 10 plus 5 equal to 0. 10 minus 10 equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. So both sides are equal. LHS is equal to RHS. It means 5 lies on x minus 2y plus 5. Only we have to put the values. Second is same. I do question number 5. Other questions are same, only we have to find values of k, m and like that. Question number 5, the line 3x upon 5 minus 2y upon 3 plus 1 equal to 0. It contains the point m and 2m minus 1. M and 2m minus 1. I have to find the value of m. Now in place of x, I put m, 3m plus over 5 minus, in place of y, I put 2m minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 equal to 0. So I take LCM. 5 3 is 15, 3 3 is 9m, minus 3 5 is 15, 5 into 2, 5 into 2 is 10, 2m minus 1 plus 1 into 15, 15. I take LCM and solve it. This 15 will go to that side and become 0. It becomes 9m minus 5 to 10, 10 into 2m, 20m minus minus plus 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 1, 10 plus 15 equal to 0. This will cross multiplication, this will become 0. So now 9m minus 20m is minus 11m, 10 plus 15 is 25, it is equal to 0. It implies that 11m is 25, m is 25 upon 11. Then question number 6 I do. This was question number 5. Question number 6. Does the line 3x minus 5y equal to 6? X minus 5y equal to 6. This is a line. Bisect the join of 5 minus 2 and minus 1, 2. I have to find whether this line bisects this line, or I have to find whether this P is midpoint of 5 join of these two lines. So let P be xy, x1, y1. So what is P is midpoint of this line. Let P x1, y1, this point be A, this point be B, is midpoint of AB. I find midpoint of AB as P. So x1 is from midpoint theorem 5 minus 1 upon 2, 2. Y1 is minus 2 plus 2 upon 2, that is 0. Midpoint P is 2 and 0. So I have to find whether this 2, 0 point lies on this line or not. If this point lies on this line, then this line will bisect, otherwise not. If P lies on this line, then this line will be bisected. So P, the given line is 3x minus 5y is equal to 6. This is equal to 6. 3 to the minus 5 and 2 0 is equal to 6. 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. 6 is equal to 6. So P lies on this line. P lies on 3x minus 5y equal to 6. It implies that 3x minus 5y plus 6 bisects AB. Because P also lies on this line, it means P will be bisecting AB, or this line is bisecting AB. I think you have got it. If there is any problem, you can ask. Then question number 7, part 1. The line y is equal to 3x minus 2 bisects the join of a 3 and 2 minus 5. Same type of question. A 3, 2 minus 5. Let this point be A, this point be B. This line is y is equal to 3x minus 2. P is midpoint, let it be x1 and y1. Then I have to find value of A. Now what is x1 equal to? A plus 2 by 2, because P is midpoint. What is y1 equal to? 3 minus 5 upon 2 minus 1. So this P lies on P A plus 2 upon 2 and minus 1 lies on y is equal to 3x minus 2. This point P lies on this line. So in place of x I write A plus 2 by 2. So y, in place of y I write minus 1. In place of y I write minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to 3 A plus 2 by 2 minus 2. Minus 1 this minus 2 will get added. 3a plus 6 upon 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. 1 is equal to 3a plus 6 upon 2. Then cross multiply. 2 is 3a plus 6. 3a is equal to minus 4. A is equal to minus 4 upon 3. So P, because lies on this line, then A will be minus 4 upon 3. Then question number 11 I do. Question number 11 is find the point of intersection of the lines 4x plus 3y equal to 1. Two lines are given, 4x plus 3y equal to 1 and 3x minus y plus 9. Equation of this line is 3x plus y minus 3x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. 3x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Now I have to find point of intersection of these two lines. Equation of this line and equation of these two lines I am given. So how do I find point of intersection? Solution of 4x plus 3y equal to 1, 3x minus y equal to minus 9. This can be written as 3x minus y equal to minus 9. I solve them simultaneously. Multiply with 3. Then find the value of x and y. 4x plus 3y equal to 1. 3 into 3, 9x minus 3y is equal to minus 27. 13x is equal to minus 26. X is equal to minus 2. In place of x I write minus 2. 4 into minus 2 plus 3y is equal to 1 minus 8 plus 3y equal to 1, 3y equal to 9, y is equal to 9 upon 3 or 3. So point of intersection will be solution of these two equations simultaneously. That you should remember. If I have to find point of intersection of two lines and equation of those lines is given, I solve them simultaneously as we have done in 9th class and 8th class. Then find value of x and y. This point will be 2 and minus 3. Minus 2 and 3. This is the point of intersection of these two lines. I put this point P. Second, then if point P lies on the line 2x minus 1 into x, I erase it. Point P is minus 2, 3. It lies on 2k minus 1 into x minus 2y is equal to 4. Now value of x is minus 2. 2k minus 1. In place of x I write minus 2 because this point lies on this line. In place of y I write 3. Minus 2 into 3 is equal to 4. Minus 2 into minus 2k minus 4k. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 minus 6. 2 into 3 is 6 is equal to 4. Minus 4k minus 4 is equal to 4. minus 4k is equal to 8. K is equal to 8 upon minus 4 minus 2. So value of k will be minus 2. Then question number 12. Question number 12. Show that lines 2x plus 5y1, these three lines are concurrent. So students, what is the meaning of concurrent lines? Concurrent lines mean these lines are passing from the same point. These three lines are passing from the same point. So how do I prove that these lines are passing from same point? First I find point of intersection of two lines, then show that this point also lies on the third line. I find the point of intersection of two lines and then prove that that point lies on the third line also. Then it will be shown that these lines are concurrent. So first I write three equations. Given lines are 2x plus 5y equal to 1, x minus 3y equal to 6, then x plus 5y equal to minus 2. So I find point of intersection of any two lines. So suppose I take first and third. This is equation 1, line 2, line 3. I have taken first and third because any two lines I can take point of intersection of first and third. You can take any two lines, first, second, second, third, first, third, or first, second, any two lines you can take. So I solve them simultaneously to find point of intersection. 2x plus 5y 1, x plus 5y minus 2. I change signs. 2x minus x is equal to 3. Then put the value of x plus 5y minus 2, 3 plus 5y minus 2, 5y is minus 5, y is equal to minus 1. So point of intersection is 3 and minus 1. So 3 lines are given. I found point of intersection of these two lines. 2x plus 5y equal to 1, and this is x plus 5y equal to minus 2. Now if this point of intersection lies on the third line, x minus 3y equal to 6, then these three lines will be concurrent. Lines will be concurrent if and only if this point 3 minus 1 lies on x minus 3y equal to 6. So value of x is 3, minus 3 into minus 1 equal to 6, 3 minus minus plus 3 equal to 6, 6 is equal to 6. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence lines are concurrent. These lines will be concurrent. So with this we come to end of today's class. If there is any problem, you cannot understand anything, or you find any difficulty in solving the remaining questions, then tell me, I will solve it for you. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye, and stay inside, stay safe, and stay happier. Thank you very much.